understanding or analysis or high availability, because you have to consume more time here. Yes or no? So you have to use logic on time. Otherwise, within 20 minutes, you will not be able to complete it. It takes time also. For example, you just see here number one. What is the question? During scientific experiment, the change made by the researcher is the dependent variable, and subsequent change in other variable is independent variable. It is given statement. What is this? Given statement. Now, I think they haven't given the options. Have they given the options?
There is two number of statements.
Okay. Okay. Next is also there. Statement 2. While observing the effect of sunlight on growth and dependent development of plant, the amount of sunlight is the independent variable, and height of growth of plant is dependent variable. Two statements are given. Right? Now, options are here. Yeah, options are given here.
Yes.
Both statement and statement 1 and 2 are true. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is incorrect.
Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Now, it will be given duty like this: Group A, Group B, Group C. So, Group B they will discuss and say, Group B they will discuss and say according, right? Group B, you choose some friends. You can choose from that side, this side, otherwise you two are enough. Girls are very dangerous. Huh? So, this statement 1 is incorrect.
Yes,
Because, yes, that is opposite. That is opposite means, so if you choose the third one, then you are correct, 100% correct. Right? Next one is, what is second one said here? When experimenting with the growth of a plant, a scientist uses 3 plants, 2 different fertilizers, equal light, and equal water. What type of variable is the fertilizer in the experiment? Independent variable, dependent variable, control variable, or extraneous variable? What do you think? Uses different type of fertilizers, right? Fertilizers. The amount of fertilizer can be changed. So independent. What is that? Independent. So this is correct. Which one of the following physical quantity is formed after dividing mass by volume? Mass by volume. What is that? Don't listen only, be confirm. Hey, you suffer, what are you doing? Keep that water bottle down. Right now, come up, after some time come down. Duty is like that only. That is regular process, it's okay. But now focus here. Bottle ko pani le. Pani le. Okay. What is the correct answer? Density. Now it is for Sapan. Number D. Read. Read this question. What is here? Stand up first. Super glue.
The following physical quantity as its SI unit. Density.
Oh, SI unit meter per second is density.
Velocity.
Are you inside the class?
Yes, sir.
I just said presence of mind. Right?
I forgot to meter per second.
Yeah. In exam also you will forget. One you will after exam you will come and say, sir, I forgot to write in copy. I kept copy one side and I was just drawing in that desk. One beautiful butterfly is drawn there in the desk. I have to call that drawing teacher to check. Ori Baba. Sit down. This is for Luniva. What is the question? Yeah. Pascal. Are you sure? Pascal is right because Pascal is pressure. Rest of others are fundamental unit quantities. Now it is for Pujana. What is derived unit? Right? Okay, this is correct. Now it is for Sornia. This one. Read. Involve in it. In Newton, kg meter per second square, kg meter square per second square, kg per meter square second square, kg meter per second. Which one is correct? This is correct. Then you say kg meter per second. In this way, we have to be champion. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now it is for Saurajji. Sauraj, this question is for you. Okay, Bob, tell.
Which of the following statements were actions for granted to take and drawing a conclusion?
For drawing a conclusion, 5 are needed.
Make an observation.
Confusion, get a. What is the answer? Making an observation. For making an observation, 5 sense organs must be utilized. Okay. Bob, you can sit in the short bench. You, Guru, go that side. That Lonish, you couldn't see here. Your head is taller one, and he will see your. Yeah. No, he can see in third bench. Go. Okay. Number 14. Number 14 is for which one? What is question number 14 say? This is for Ritika. Read question and tell answer, Ritika. Okay. What is called the rate of doing work? Her answer is power. Rate of doing work is power.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Rate of doing work means P equals to W by T. 100% correct.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now class is going on after some time. When the class is over, ask her to wait for some time, right? एकछिन बस्नु भन न. Okay. So P equals to W by T. Okay. Now here is question number 1. This is BSQ. What is the question? What is the control variable while studying the relation of rotating knob of a tap and the rate of flow of the water? What is the control variable?
Type of level.
Type of tap or size of tap?
Sir, thickness.
Yeah, thick.
Thickness. Thickness of whiteness of
One remember? Okay, I think what?
pressure of water.
Yeah. No, the pressure of water is the dependent variable. Question number 2. What is a unit?
The standard reference used to measure
The standard reference in terms of which an unknown quantity is expressed. The unknown quantity, the standard reference in terms of which an unknown quantity is expressed. Point number 3.
mention the fundamental.
Mention the fundamental units equal in the unit of pressure.
kg meters per
Pressure means what is that?
pressure is Pascal.
Pascal means kg and per meter cube. They are involved. Kg per meter cube. Don't bite it, remember. When you bite, then it becomes your real, not pani, because from mouth real is produced. Saliva. We're taking out tongue. You Pousha. Make some question number 4. Why are control variables important?
To gain product in experiment.
To get the result in experiment, right? So if control variables play vital means positive role, result is often fast, otherwise slowly. What is derived unit? Units of derived quantities, or those units which are made up of two or more fundamental units, they are called derived. How is uniformity of unit checked in an equation? How is uniformity of unit checked in an equation?
By replacing fundamental units.
By mentioning or by writing the fundamental units of those physical quantities. By writing the fundamental units of those physical quantities. Define independent variable. The variable that can be manipulated or changed or modified by the researcher. Write the SI unit of amount of substance. Mole. M-O-L-E, mole. Find out the fundamental units involved in joule. In joule, what are there? No idea? Joule means kg meter square per second square. Check it. Kg meter square per second square. Which variable depends upon the value of another variable and cannot be determined directly by the experimenter? Dependent variable. See? You have to write in full sentence your answer. Understood or not? Now you have to emphasize on your handwriting and you have to emphasize on your presentation. Understood or not? One question's answer, leave 2 lines. Next question answer, leave 2 lines. Don't be greedy and format it well. Writing, drawing, and just writing in compact format, you are not going to get more marks. Okay? That is group B means 1 mark question each. What is the question here? Children, differentiate between independent variable and dependent variable. Manipulated, independent one. Then, what do dependent variable do? So, independent variable is directly connected with the activity of researcher, and dependent variable is dependent means it is the outcome of independent variable. So, like independent variable is like input, dependent variable is output in this way. Or independent variable is cause, dependent variable is effect, right? Point number 2, some variables should be controlled while performing an experiment. Why? Why? Or why do we need control variables? What do the control variables do? They help to give the output faster, right? And yeah, they help to balance the experiment. Get the output faster, they help to balance the experiment as well. Joule is the derived unit of work. Why? Joule is the derived unit of work. Why? Here how to show? Joule means work done. Work done equals to, what is the formula? Force multiplied by displacement, right? M multiply A multiply S. And what is the SI unit of M? kg. A meter per second square. S is meter. Kg meter square per second square. So work done, what they assigned it? Joule equals to kg meter square per second square. So joule contains fundamental units kg meter square and second per second square. That's why it is derived unit. Okay? Where is it? Yeah, this one, derived unit. Right? Question number 4. Read the question. Prove that Ohm equals to, okay, you have to prove electric resistance. Did you do earlier?
Yes, sir.
So electric resistance R equals to, what are our formula? I by B or V by I? V by I. V means work done by charge multiplied by I. Yes or no? Remember this thing is? Now you don't pay attention. If you feel the answer is a bit difficult, please do 2 to 3 times. Then you will be confident. Don't copy from others. Try yourself. Otherwise, learn from others, no problem. Now in hostel also there are 16 students. Out of 16, some are challenged with higher ability, some are with analysis, some are with understanding, some are with knowledge only. 45 categories are there. Who is a bit talented one? You go there and learn. And inside the class, wherever you are doing work, there must be presence of mind. What should be there? Presence of mind. If you have got any ego problem, please discard. There must be ego problem to get better marks. How to get better marks? Push is that clear? Remember, Sitting posture is up to date. Now you can solve. W means what is that?
W means evidence.
F times S. Q means
ID.
I times T
Into I.
times I. Now put their SI units, you can get it. Try this 2-3 times. Actually, what happens, we don't practice there. Later on in exam, same question is asked. Thukka, I have to practice with it. Yes or no? And when the question is not practiced, it becomes W to us. No idea will come. How to do. Condition. Okay? What is number 5? B square equals to UT is not valid relation. Why? If such is given, then what you write? You have to write B square equals to UT. After writing B square equals to UT, what should be done? B square means, now mention their units. What is the units of B? Meter per second whole square. U is how much? Meter per second times S. What does it come? Meter square. S minus 2. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Then M
Only.
S minus 2. Here is M square S minus 2. Here is M S minus 2. The units in left hand side and right hand side are equal or not? Are they equal?
No.
Because here is M square S minus 2. Here is M.
Sir, one and cancel.
Where?
M by X is.
No, don't cancel. You keep like this only. If we start cancelling, then it will be one. But generally, what we have to show, so both sides equal. The units present in left hand side and right hand side are not same. That's why this does not exist, or it is invalid. It is invalid. Is that clear? Number 6. What is the question?
6.
Fundamental unit and for derived unit. Can you differentiate? This is okay. Number 7. Read the question. Oh, Joshi, what are you doing? Stand up and catch it. One walk at a time. I say. There must be presence of mind. What should be there? Mind is where don't mind. Mind. And she minds. And she doesn't use her mind. If we ask her, where is your mind? She said, my mind is mind. Mind. Huh? Okay, write SI into mass, temperature, energy and density. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
Mass, what is that? kg. Mass is kg. Temperature? Kelvin. Energy? Joule. Right? Energy can be expressed in joule. And density can be expressed in kg per meter cube. Right? Question number 8. Read the question. Going to study the effect of heat on solubility of sugar. Just before we discuss it, mention the independent variable and dependent variable. Heat or temperature, that is independent variable. Solubility of sugar is dependent variable. Okay, Vijaya's friend Viveki, remember? Otherwise, you will do like this. Sir, I am listening. Number 9. The unit of pressure is called derived unit. Why? Can you do this one?
Yes.
First of all, what to write? Pressure P equals to, what is the formula? Yeah.
What's only?
Pressure is force by area. Pressure means mass by density. No.
It's a force upon area.
Pressure. Okay, oh yeah. Pressure means what is that? Force upon area. That's right. F means Newton by meter square, right? I thought power, pressure and power different. So Newton, what are the units involved in Newton? Kg meter per second square, and here is meter square. This here 2, here is 1 means kg per meter per second square. What are the SI units involved in it? Kg per meter per second square. That's why it is derived in it. You must know the relation, right? This one, this relation, and SI unit. Okay. Um, Check the accuracy of equation b square equals to u plus as. Again, what to do?
Again, same process.
You have to use same. So b square equals u plus 2s is okay.
B square plus 2a.
Here must be e square, but here is u only. Man. It is, so what will come there? The units in left hand side and right hand sides are not equal or similar. That's why yeah, the given relation is invalid. Okay. You see, earlier I just taught you this one or not? Prove that the unit of potential difference B equals to this one. Again, what to show? B equals to Q by, sorry, W by Q. B equals to W by Q. W means F times S. Q is I times T. Now you dung, can you do or not? Possible? Remember, right? So these are the questions. So now I'm going to provide you questions of 35 marks. How many marks? 35. Clear? If 35 marks questions are given, then I think it will be quite enough. Now you have got set book. Do you have set book?
Yes, sir.
Please open your set book, and chapter is scientific learning. What is the chapter? Scientific learning. Right. Scientific learning. Now MCQ, BSQ, SQ, LQ. These are the 4 type of questions. 2 times 4 equals to 8. 4 times 2 equals to 8. How much you came? 16. Then MCQ 10. BSQ 9. Total how much marks? Exactly 35 marks. Right? In this pattern, I will give you work every day. Understood? So next day we will be practicing from another chapter. Next day another chapter. One day one chapter's work should be done. So we have got here all 4 type of questions also, no? MCQ, BSQ, SQ and LQ. Right? Got the idea? Now take out your book, copy and fresh science mind. Otherwise I have to say don't mind, you don't have mind. Where's your copy? And why are you covering your nose? Keep down. Time and tide wait for now, right? This is the time to practice. And did you manage your photos or not?
Yes.
Already managed. And what certificates I have said? So only 7 I have got, 9 I have got. Tomorrow I will check. There must be 21. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Thank you.